Hello. If you're learning British English and want to improve your fitness vocabulary, you've come to the right place. We'll go over common words and phrases you'll encounter when talking about exercise, the gym and health. Practicing these words will help enrich your vocabulary and teach you how to pronounce fitness terms correctly with an RP British English accent. You can become more fluent by using these words in example sentences and conversations. So let's get started. First things first, repeat these words out loud to get familiar with the pronunciation. Workout, workout. Gym, gym. Fitness, fitness. Exercise, exercise. Cardio, cardio. Try putting them in a sentence like, I go to the gym 3 times a week for my workouts. I go to the gym 3 times a week for my workouts. What type of exercise do you enjoy? I like cardio the most. What type of exercise do you enjoy? I like cardio the most. Here are some more common words you'll hear when talking about working out and being active. Weights, weights. Reps, reps. Set, set. Personal trainer, personal trainer. Treadmill, treadmill. Practice using them in sentences like, I lift weights and do reps to build muscle. I lift weights and do reps to build muscle. My personal trainer at the gym gave me a new workout routine. My personal trainer at the gym gave me a new workout routine. Walking on the treadmill is a good cardio exercise. Walking on the treadmill is a good cardio exercise. One of the best ways to improve your English fluency is using new vocab in conversations. Listen to my recording of this conversation, and why not record your own version and compare it with mine? So here's an example conversation between a gym member and the gym supervisor. Excuse me, I'm new to this gym. Could you help show me how some of the equipment works? Of course, I'd be happy to give you an orientation. What are your fitness goals? Well, I'm hoping to get stronger and build a bit more muscle. I'm not sure where to start with the weights and machines. No problem. Since you're new to strength training, I suggest starting with some basic full body exercises using dumbbells and body weight. I can demonstrate some good beginner moves. Over here we have various dumbbells you can use for exercises like bicep curls, shoulder presses and goblet squats. Let me show you the proper form. Okay, so keeping my back straight and using my legs to lift. This squat is tougher than it looks. You're doing great. Once you get comfortable, we can move you to the weight machines. The leg press and chest press machines are fantastic for building lower and upper body strength. I'd also recommend our weekly core strength class on Saturdays to work on your abs, back and balance. And do feel free to ask any trainer for help crafting a full workout routine. We're here to support you. This is really helpful, thank you. I'm feeling motivated. I'll try some dumbbell and bodyweight moves today and sign up for the core class. I appreciate you taking the time to explain everything. My pleasure. We're happy to have you as a new member. Don't hesitate to ask questions any time. Have a great workout. So there you have it, an introduction to gym and fitness vocabulary. With these tips and examples, you can improve your pronunciation and confidently chat about exercise in English. Practice these words regularly to build fluency. And let me know if you have any other fitness terms you'd like help with.